Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to CodeWithBK. So in this video, we write a Java program to count the number of vowels in a string. So before we begin, it is a request that if you like this video, if you find this helpful, please do subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers, only one is subscribed, and your subscription is very important for me to grow on YouTube. So please do subscribe. Alright, let's go. So let me take a string, say string s equal to that. My job is to count the number of vowels in this string s. So what are our vowels? A, U. Okay, and the same in uppercase. Alright, so we need to count how many of these in total occur in a string. Okay, so in this string we have I as a vowel, A as a vowel, O as a vowel, I as a vowel, right? That's it, right? So this has 4 vowels. Okay, that's what a program is supposed to do. We take a string s and we count the number of vowels in the string. So how do we go about it? Let me take this string s again here. Okay, VIRAT space. Okay, alright. So if I give this string indices, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, single white space 5, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 11 characters. For 11 characters, we have indices 0 to 10. So in my code, what I need to do, I need to iterate this string from left to right, pick up each character in the ith iteration and check if it is a vowel or not. Okay, so in ith iteration, I get a character ch which is at ith index in this string. Okay, this means get me the ith character in this string. Okay, we store that character in ch. Okay, if ch is a vowel, so if ch is a vowel, okay, in case of yes and in case of no, there are two possibilities. If ch is a vowel, no, it is not a vowel. If ch is a vowel, yes, it is a vowel. In this case, increment num vowels by 1. Okay, and num vowels is a variable. You can say num vowels that start with the value 0 and it is incremented every time ch is a vowel. If ch is not a vowel, we don't need to do anything. Okay, but if ch is a vowel, we increment number of vowels by 1. And when we iterate the entire string from left to right, at the end we get total number of vowels in this variable num vowels. Okay, so I will write a method, say int get num vowels. Okay, takes a string s. Okay, takes a string s, returns the number of vowels in this string s. And this is the idea we follow to code our method. Okay, so the first job is to iterate this string from left to right. So I say for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length. Okay, this is string s. Okay, and I'll do I plus plus. Alright. Okay, and we have to take a variable num vowels that will count the number of vowels in the string s. So I'll start with int num vowels equal to 0, and finally when my loop completes all its iterations, I return the number of vowels. Alright, let's come within our for loop. In our for loop, we get ch as the ith character in the ith iteration. So I say char ch is s dot caret at index I. Okay, and now I need to check if this ch is a vowel or not. So I'll say if is vowel ch. Okay, alright, so is vowel is a method that I will write. Okay, if this is the case, okay, if ch is a vowel, if this method returns true, okay, I will increment the number of vowels by 1. So I say num vowels plus plus. Alright, okay, now we write this method is vowel. So I'll say boolean is vowel. Okay, takes a char ch. Okay, method returns a boolean value. It means it returns true if ch is a vowel, returns false if ch is not a vowel. Okay, how do we know ch is a vowel? Ch is one of these 10 characters. Okay, so the most simplest way to check if ch is one of these is to write an if condition where you have 10 comparisons where you compare ch with each of these. So it looks something like this. If ch is lowercase a or ch is lowercase e or same for uppercase I, alright. So if ch matches one of these 10 cases, a, e, I, o, u lowercase, a, e, I, o, u uppercase, I return true. Okay, else before the function ends, I return false. Alright. So this method takes a character ch, single character ch, checks if it is a vowel or not. How does it check? It checks by comparing ch against all the 10 possible characters which are vowels. Okay. So this is the most simplest way to find the number of vowels in a string S. Okay. So there are a couple of alternatives that I will explain you here. Okay. So I'll show you a couple of other methods where you can check if ch is a vowel or not. And the idea behind showing you multiple approaches to the same problem is so that when you go for competitive coding in the future, when you go for problem solving in the future, you should be able to see a problem with multiple approaches. Okay. All right. So I'm going to write a couple of alternative implementations of this method is vowel. So I'll say, okay, boolean is vowel. Okay. It's the same method. Okay. It's just an alternative implementation. So when you're writing this code, you need to write is vowel method. You can use any of the one is vowel methods. Okay. Again, is vowel takes a character ch, returns a boolean value true or false, returns true if ch is a vowel, returns false if ch is not a vowel. Okay. In this method, I am going to make the use of the string function indexOf. I'll show you how. So I'll take a string vowels. Now this string vowels will contain all my vowels. E, I, O, U lowercase, A, E, I, O, U uppercase. And my return value is going to be return vowels, this variable, dot index of this character ch is not equal to -1. So I'm making use of the indexOf method in the string class. So indexOf on a string takes a character ch, returns the first index where it finds ch. Okay. If ch is not found in this string, it returns -1. So what I want to say is, if ch is found in this string vowels, okay, it means it is one of the vowels because this string is exclusively made of all the vowels. Okay. If ch is not found in this string vowels, it means indexOf return -1. So when indexOf does not return -1, in that case, ch is one of these characters in the string. It means ch is a vowel. Okay. So I'm going to remove this to write another alternate implementation for is vowel. So I'll again say boolean is vowel takes a char ch. Okay. In this case, I'm going to use switch case. So I'm going to say switch. I'll pass ch. Okay. All right. And I'll write cases for all the vowels. So I'll say case lowercase a colon, case lowercase e colon. Okay. Similarly, case uppercase a case e. Okay. So I have a switch case. The variable for the switch case is the ch, the character we are getting to check for vowel. And in our cases, we have all the cases for our vowels. Okay. Finally, under the last case, I am going to say return true, and I am going to close switch case. Okay. And finally, before the function closes, I am going to say return false. Alright. Okay. It means for all these cases, you need to return true. And if ch does not match any of these cases, ch will come out of switch case here and the value returned will be false. And you can see I'm not writing any break statements here. Okay. That is because I want a fall through of cases. It means that if ch matches a, it is going to fall through till here, okay, and return true. If ch matches uppercase a, it is going to match here and it is going to fall through here because there is no break statement. Okay. And this is a technique you apply when you want to have multiple cases matching one return value or matching one case block. Okay. So this is the third way where you can check if ch is a vowel or not. And this question was asked way back in 2015 when Google interviewed me for an internship position, and I was able only to tell this method. Okay. I did not think of this and I did not think of this. And the interviewer, the guy who was, asking me questions was like, do you have any alternative implementation? Do you have any other way to think about this? Like, no, I cannot think of anything else, and this is the answer, and this is the answer, and so on. So that's why I always say you should have multiple approaches to solve a problem, right? Okay. Getting back to this, okay. There are a couple of optimizations you can make. You can convert ch to lowercase and then you can compare only till lowercase. So you can do something like ch is character dot to lower case ch. Okay, so this statement basically converts this character ch to corresponding lowercase letter. It means if this was an uppercase letter, okay, it becomes a lowercase letter. If this was not a letter, it remains the same. Okay, so when you do this, you can get rid of these next 5 comparisons that compare for uppercase vowels. Okay, all right. Similarly, you can do this here and you can remove these 5 uppercase, but that does not make a lot of sense. Okay, there is actually no difference in the performance here. There is no difference in the runtime here, hardly any difference. So there is no point. You can obviously do the same thing here and then compare the first 5 cases only. Okay, so you can do something like ch is character dot to lowercase ch. Okay, and you can get rid of these. So for all these 5 cases, you return true, fine, otherwise you return false. Okay, so this is how you count the number of vowels in a string S. And before we move on to a system where we run this and check, it is a request that if you like this video, if you find this helpful, please do subscribe to my channel because your subscription is very important. And now let's move on to the system to run this and check.
So this is the method we discussed and wrote to count the number of vowels, right? And this is the isVowel method. So this is using isVowel 1, which is this one that uses if conditions. There is isVowel 2 that uses indexOf. There is isVowel 3 that uses switch case. Okay, so I've taken the same string S to count the number of vowels. Let me run this. Java C and Java. Okay, number of vowels in this is 4. Okay, let me change this isVowel method to the second implementation. Okay, compile, run, same answer. Changing it to isVowel 3, compile, run. Okay, let me change this string to say, okay, so this has 1 2 3 4 5 vowels. Okay, so compile, run 5 vowels, changing it back to 1, compile, run 5 vowels. Alright, so this was the solution to this problem and I hope this was helpful. So if you found this helpful, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, please like my video and please share my channel. And please let me know in the comments if there was anything not clear to you in this video, if there's a question you want me to solve or if there's a concept you want me to discuss. Thank you.